In this video, friends, we'll do comparison between two powerful software, open source and for automation between Langflow and n8n. So, guys, Langflow it is open source Python-based and customizable framework for building AI application. So, guys, from this one Langflow, you can build your application. You can write your prompts from here. You can input your text. You can use prompts and templates. This is input and this is output from here. You have a language model. You can choose a model from here, for example OpenAI or something like this, and you can integrate it with different source like ChatGPT or something like this. Also, friends, you can use you have integration with different apps like AI applications. You have also, guys, you can create custom Python components. This one you can write your class levels, or you can write your codes from here. So, guys, this is for Langflow, and this is n8n, guys. Also, it is Nov, and it is automation. You can automate your business and process without a limit on your logic. You can visual building, powerful, secure deployment. This is for n8n. This is all features, and you have visual building. You can fast iterations. You can see result instantly. You can build what you need to native nodes and custom codes. Perfect both for automations. So, guys, the fast iterations and no body replates. This is you have also product and templates. You can use this template from here. This is all about the templates, guys. You can use this template and you can start editing on n8n without any problems. You have also integration with different apps like Gmail, Slack, HTTP, all the software. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. I hope this guide helpful.